Okay, so to get started, once you've logged into your ecom CRM account and you've found yourself here on the dashboard, go ahead and click on the Sites page within the side left panel. Okay, so in here, we're going to see multiple different tabs up here in the top left corner. Go ahead and click on Forms. And then within here, go ahead and click on Add Form. And so this is going to open up our form builder where we can customize and build our form. Now, the first thing we can do is change the name of our form. So in this case, we're going to call it Form 101. And we can then start assigning the information to this form that we need. And to start with, it's going to pre-populate your form within the form builder with a first name, last name, email, and phone. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we're actually going to delete all of these and we're going to start completely from scratch to show you exactly how to navigate the form builder. To start adding form fields into our form, go ahead and click on the plus icon here in the top left corner. This will open up a tab where we can click and drag multiple different form fields onto our form. So let's start with a first name where we can click and just drag this onto our form. And as you can see, it pops up within our form. Same thing with last name, we can click and drag and it adds it right to the top of our form. Now here we have last name first and first name last. So if we click on the one that we want to change and just go ahead and drag it up on top, and you'll see now we have first name at the top and last name at the bottom. And let's say we also want an email field. So we want a first name, last name, and email for an email opt-in. And then finally, we want to attach a button to this so that it gives prospects and website visitors a chance to actually fill in the form and receive what they're submitting for. So right now we have a first name form, a last name form, and an email form, as well as a button to confirm the form submission. Now, most of the time this would be fine and we will be good to go and save this and start implementing it into our funnels, websites, and emails. However, in this case, most countries have tighter rules around emails and email opt-ins. So we usually need to include some type of confirmation or terms and conditions. So they actually have a terms and conditions button right here down at the bottom within this quick add, which we can actually click and drag onto our form. This will add an opt-in feature right onto your form automatically, allowing the prospect to confirm to us that they have given us permission to send them emails. Now, if you'd like to customize the text within this opt-in, you can click on the feature. And then over here on the right-hand side, you can customize the text as well as add any links and change the link color as well as the text color if you'd like to. You can also do the same thing here with the form fields. You can change the name of the field, the placeholder, as well as add it as a required or a hidden field. And same thing applies with the button. If you click on the button, you can see that you can change the text. You can also change the subtext, which will appear right below it. You can also change the entire style, such as background color, borders, corner radiuses, padding, and much, much more. Now, once you're happy with your form and you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click on the Save button right up here. This will save your form and mark it as complete and ready to be integrated into any funnels. If you'd like to preview your form at any time to see how things are looking, click on the Preview button up here. It'll go ahead and open up a new tab, which you can then preview the form in real time and see exactly what a prospect would see. And then finally, going back, if we are happy with everything, we've saved our form, now we want to start integrating it into our funnels and websites. We can actually go ahead and click back, and this will bring us out of the form builder and then back to the ecom CRM platform, which we can then navigate to where we need to go to start integrating this form. And so that is how we create a form within the ecom CRM platform. I hope this helps, and hopefully now you can get started with building out funnels, automations, and receiving those email opt-ins. For more tutorials just like this, go ahead and check out our entire playlist for more simple tutorials within the platform. And please go ahead and view the links in the description if you're looking for a custom software solution, or if you'd like to get started on a free trial of ecom CRM.